All right, today we're going to bring a solar kit for your Ring and other cameras. Now, this one comes with a couple accessories. I got these third generation third vendors that they also work with very well. And this one's actually an outdoors 4G camera that requires a solar panel, and it works really well. So I'm going to put this for an Arlo camera. What is included, they include the actual attachment so you can attach the solar panel on it. Also for your cable management. And if you have the older solar the older Ring camera, which requires this connection, they have an adapter type C to the connection. We're going to put it together and see how it works. All right, just to prove to you guys that this camera, this solar panel, to take any camera, and this pretty much fits and charges any camera you want as long as you have a type C. So plugging it in, there it is. Works easy with it too. It's compatible with pretty much any device you have that has a type C. Here's my Arlo camera, and there's a solar panel. So the Arlo camera is pointing down, and this is going to capture more light. So all right, just put the solar panel there. It's charging. We're looking at the Arlo camera, but it's very convenient. You could put this not just for Arlo but for anything else. It takes about the same voltage as the other one. So hope you guys enjoy the video.